Let's replace this for now, which is again a very easy job. I just need to open these, how many, like eight bolts. So also, like, if you look at these, the bolts come with a plastic washer. Just keep them safe, because for the front bolts, for the windscreen, like, you don't want to damage it, so just keep them safe for now. I'll just open like random staggered bolts, so that like we remove everything easily. As you guys can see, I got this front windscreen out. It still has the double R logo. It's weird. It has the company logo like when we started 2 years ago. So if you see, all these pugs are still attached to this windscreen. We need to remove this one by one, like how I did for this one and this one, and then put it on the new windshield. And I think like once we do that, we just need to tighten it back. I still have my logo to be added on the new windscreen, the windshield, and I think that should be a good closure for this activity. Let me clean it up a little bit before I do anything nice. This Puig windscreen out with the manual, in case anyone is interested. This is a Z-Racing screen that we'll be mounting on the bike. Now, before mounting the Puig windscreen, we'll need to take all these grommets out from the BMW factory screen or the windshield. So let's see how easy or tough this activity is going to be, or this part is going to be. So it's just like an aerodynamic test. I know they had like an original screen aerodynamic test done, and then they had the Puig windscreen too. So if you look like after the rider, if you see like how the air pattern or the turbulence is, and then compare to the Z screen, where like you'll see less turbulence because the screen is a little bit wider and longer. So if you can see the difference too, see how round the screen is. We have some, I'm not sure, algamine means. Is there any English variant for this? Not 100% sure. Let me see. Not exactly, but yeah. Okay, so what else we have? We have a Puig high-tech part designed in Barcelona. Okay, yes, because it's a Spanish manufacturer. And we have one small Puig Racing Screen logo, which I'm really... Alright, I did a very clean flush for the Puig because on the center it will be our company logo. So let's put them in now and mount the screen. Already starts looking great, guys. The screen is looking absolutely phenomenal. So now that you can see, I'm done installing the Puig racing screen, the Z-Racing screen. So the next item that I had on my list is just to wipe this screen pretty good and then install our company logo in this one. So I'll just put a few drops of the brake clean so that if in case like I have any of my fingerprint. Okay, so the last thing that I was mentioning you guys is the company logo that we'll add to the bike. I'll just go ahead and peel it off and put it on the bike. Alright, I think we'll call it the day, pack the bike together and then show you guys around what all we did in this service. Like, it's always a game-changing thing. Like, every time you open the motorcycle up, then you start adding a few components. Like 1 year we did the GB Racing engine cover kit, 1 year we did the Aero Fullet titanium exhaust, Evo Tech performance parts were added in 1 year. It's like every track day you go and then you see, oh, this might be missing on the bike, so you just come back, order the parts, add them together. In case you need anything for your bike, just shoot us a message. We are available on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok. You can email us directly. We have a new and better website. We added a lot of new car parts to it. We have added the blow-off valves, the diverter valves. We added a lot of motorcycle parts. Power sports is a huge thing. Helmets. Just hit us up and then we'll get everything rolling out for you guys. Thank you.